Oh, the suspense is killing me. Where is he? Where is he?
Pass हो गए, pass हो गए.
Yeah!
Yeah,
We did!
Jason, गुरुजी, pass हो गए भाई, pass हो गए. चलो जाने तक करते हो. Okay, Jason.
I'm so happy, man. Let's
Okay.
get your new license together.
Okay.
He's amazing.
Amazing too, Jason.
My brother.
Cat मजा, cat.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh, thank you, man. I really appreciate your
We
help.
did!
My DZ license, finally, with Mr. Jason. I recommend everybody
We did it, man. We did it, we did
to
it.
go with this guy.
We did it, man. I'm so happy. He won. He won it for his family. It's been a long day. Thank God it's Friday. You got it?
The fucking handle doesn't work on it. I had to put it with the handle.
This guy complains about everything. Okay, good. Like I'm babysitting him.
What the fuck did he just do?
Look at the foul language. Okay.
Right. So now we have to measure with the
Yeah, let's get it out.
Oh, no foul language on video recording, huh? Okay, I want to show everybody my new friend. Ready? Hey, hey. Look at us. Look at us. Look at us. He's shy. Yeah.
Okay,
Hey, come here, my. This is it.
No.
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 No. No. Never too old. We're gonna pass today. We're waiting for the any moment. It's gonna come here, and we're sitting here, just chilling, just relaxing, and we're gonna pass. Okay? We're gonna pass. We're gonna pass. I promise we're gonna pass today.
Yes, I promise.
We're gonna celebrate. Okay. Good morning. It's vicious cold today. Look at this weather. Looks like a winter wonderland. Check it out. It's freezing. I take the blue one today. Well, I don't care how bad the weather is, people. If you want to give your family a good life, I'll fight as hard as I can to get you that good life for your family, get you that truck license. Look at the weather. Look at this. Look at this nastiness. This job's so much fun. I don't care how bad the weather is. I gotta brush the snow off this monster. This one's my favorite. I wish it came in black, but oh well. I found the closest color, dark blue. Oh, open up, man.
A minor defect, I'll mark it in my inspection report. I'll notify my operator, and I can drive. If the seat belt or tether belt is insecure, missing, or malfunction, it will be a major defect. I'll notify. I mentioned it in my inspection report, and I'll notify I called the operator.
Here it is. So we're gonna pass today?
ready to go for my license. I hope I'll make it today.
That's right. We're gonna make it and we're gonna pass. That's it. There's the truck, man. City truck and forklift. Okay, we're ready to go. Your test is first. No, not yet. Wow, we have a rare occurrence today. A lady for AZ. She passes. This will be the 6th lady I got to pass in 2.5 years. There you go. Any moment we're going to start now. Here we go. Yep, no problem. Yep.
Surface is not flat.
Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. For Omari. Yeah! Vintage 2008. That's all yours, man.
Awesome. Thanks.
For a bottle of Dom Perignon for my Bregin. Jahari. Vintage 2006. Let me get the picture. Look at the picture. Look at that. Oh, man. Congratulations.
19 crimes. Hey, that's me. 19 crimes. This is it. This is the one. This is the one. Bad girl in charge.
Let's get Bad Girl in charge here.
Bad girl in charge.
Do you want anything else? All right, let's get it. Okay, Apple, what did I get you? For your graduation. Oh, here it is. That's what he picked for his epic graduation party.
I want to take this time to welcome you into the AZ truck driving world. You're now one of us now. You're part of the big boys. You join our elite fraternity, man.